everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Rosie at Home. Nowadays, I'm only able to do 1 or 2 videos per month, and that's because I am a full-time babysitter to my grandson, my only grandson, and I want to spend as much time with him as possible. And he keeps me going. He's very energetic, and I have 1 or 2 new items you guys haven't seen. So now I'm going to show you guys how I decorated how I refreshed my living space. So I hope you guys stick around and check it out. On this wall was a very large round mirror. I had to take it down because my grandson he likes to play a lot on this side of the room, so I had to take it down. I didn't want him to hurt himself. So I replaced it with a beautiful small picture of flowers, and I think it's very pretty. I purchased that art piece from the thrift store a while ago, and behind that print is a shower curtain, and I purchased, of course, from Amazon, and I'm using the shower curtain as wallpaper, and I think it is very beautiful. And on the settee is a beautiful pillow I purchased from Amazon, and I added rhinestones jewelry onto the flowers on the pillow, and it is Glam. And on this side of the room is my chair. It was leopard print, of course. I just added some fabric onto it, leopard print, and I just added fabric onto it to change the look of the chair. And also that rug, leather rug on the back of the chair, makes it look very romantic and glam. And the beautiful ottoman I purchased from 7th Avenue, and I had it previously in my family room. And the pillow is thrifted. And now on this side of the room, and this style is, I changed to refresh it to look shabby chic, but actually it is shabby glam. I love how this art piece on the wall look. And I purchased this beautiful art piece. It's a mirror art piece. I purchased it from Overstock, and I added beautiful ornaments, prisms onto it. Silver, I purchased the pillow covers from Amazon, and I think everything turned out beautifully. And now I will show you my ottoman. I did not put a cover on my ottoman. I left as is because it kind of matches with the pillowcases and the curtain on the wall. But I did a DIY on the tray. I added jewelry, old jewelry, and rhinestone stickers onto the beautiful tray. And I also spray painted it gold and added some butterflies I purchased from Dollar Tree, decals, and I think it turned out very beautifully. And all the crystal vases, my sister, well, except for the large one in the middle, my sister purchased for me. And the beautiful flower ball is a DIY flower ball. I added jewelry onto it and pearls. And in the center is also a DIY item. I added jewelry on top of it, and everything turned out very beautifully. And the beautiful flowers, once again, are from Michael's and I believe Walmart. And I think that is pretty much it for all the changes in my living area. And I will give you a full overview of my space.